Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to cook sauteed organic chokos. So here are the ingredients. We have chicken, we have shrimp, we have some tomatoes, carrots, garlic, onions, cube, and chokos, organic chokos. We like to eat chokos because it has lots of vitamins and minerals. We also have some oil, soy sauce, salt, that's pepper and that's salt, and seasoning. We also have an electric stove. Okay guys, so the pan is hot, so let's start by putting in some of these like that. So we put the onions in. We're just letting it heat in there. You put the garlic. And then we're going to put on the sauteed later. And then we're going to put on the tomatoes. It's starting to smell really good. Oh, I just got a blister. So we've already put the garlic and then we put the tomatoes. Smell good. Now we're going to be putting on the chicken. Oh, it's good. Very good. So we put the chicken. It's starting to smell really good. Wow. Very nice. I'm gonna have a great dinner. Now we're gonna put on the shrimp. Now we're gonna put on the shrimp. Yummy. Very yummy shrimp. Now we can put on our chokos. Yummy chokos. Did you also know chokos has magnesium? Now we're gonna put on the carrot, or the cube, and the carrot. Yummy. we're going to test if it's cooked. So we got. It's good. It's cooked.
Can I taste?
Sure. You guys will hot though. It's hot though. You know, guys, you can cook on your own because,
It's very easy.
yep, you can also make it in all sorts of ways.
Let's